welcome back. Today I have somebody super cool. Yeah, thumbs up, awesome. This is Walter. This is my niece's little boy, and he is just a cutie, huh? Or handsome, or cool, all the above. Okay, thumbs up, we have a thumbs up. Okay, we are doing a number 2 on Walter. We are just gonna come around. Does that tickle, buddy? Okay, we're just gonna come around the whole head up to about this area. Can you put your head up, bud? Good job. Just gotta get right here by your ear. So you can see where I'm going here. Taking all this off. Like I said, this is a number 2. A number 2 is really nice for a haircut that you want to last, but not have it so extremely short. So I do a ton of haircuts with a number 2 for little boys. The moms seem to really like the number 2. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, come up. Again, just take this off the ear, around the ear. And then obviously when we get the top and everything blended, then the last thing we'll do is we'll come back around the ears and around the neck with the trimmers and just clean everything up to finish the haircut. Okay. Now, are you excited for the squirt bottle? He loves water, don't you, buddy? Is it cold? Thumbs up. Okay, look up a little. Perfect. Thank you, sweetie. Okay, and then we like to do about finger length, just so it lasts longer. And I start there in the top, and then you can see I'm coming around the back. And obviously finger length, every stylist is gonna be different depending on size of fingers. So just kind of talk to your client, see how long they want the length, and then just figure that out with your client. But we do like finger lengths for he and his brother, just because it lasts longer. Okay, so now that I have all this done, then I'm gonna come up in this front. Thumbs up, good job, buddy. You're doing awesome. I love the thumbs up. And you can see, ooh, and muscles. Good job, bud. The middle and then the sides. I go to each side. Okay, now look up for me. Ooh, good job. Up a little more. Ooh. Good job. Okay, then we take that front off. And then the sides. Okay, then after that, we're going to double check. We're gonna cross check. I always tell people, if you cut one way, just check it the other way, even in women's haircuts. Okay, hold really still, buddy. Good job, you're doing awesome. And then that way you can just, that's the way to double check your haircuts. So the way you cut, you're gonna wanna check the opposite way to make sure that you don't miss anything. Okay, and then we're gonna check the front. Nice, I love the thumbs up, buddy. You're awesome. Okay, look here, up. Good job, those gorgeous eyes. Okay, we're gonna come take a little bit of that off. Good job. Okay, sweet. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend the sides and the top. Okay, here we go. We're going with the sides. Hold really still on this part, okay, buddy? Thank you. Good job. Okay, hold your head really still. I always like to let them know to hold really still on this part just because Obviously, blending is the hardest part of the haircut. And if they don't know that and they move quick, then you could end up having, you know, a little chunk of hair taken out. So just while you're doing the haircut, if you need to just remind them to hold still, like you are, Walter. Okay. All right, now we're gonna turn him, I'm gonna check this back. Okay, now hold your head right there. Good job. Thumbs up, good job. Okay, hold your head right there. Good job. Just gotta blend this a little bit more over here. Okay, now we're gonna turn him around to do the back and then the other side. Okay, put your head here. Okay, right there, buddy. Good job. Keep it there, you got it. Okay, we're gonna come down this side. Oh, good job. Thumbs up from backwards. Woo! You're amazing. Okay, hold really still. Good job. You look good. Okay, hold really still. I'm just going to finish this part and then we'll check the corners. Okay. You can see a little bit here. We got to blend this. And the way I like to see if you need a blend is to come in the mirror, check both sides, see if they're blending. And if not, you know what to take in and how much more to take off. Okay, then we are going to check the corners. Especially with these shorter cuts, I love to just come around, check all these corners to see if they are all good job. Okay. Thumbs up. Good job, Walter. Okay, hold really still. Okay, we'll hurry. Good job. Okay, and this back part, we're just going nice and short. Checking these sides. Almost done, buddy. As soon as I check these sides, we'll do your ears and your neck and you'll be done. We'll put some gel in it and then you'll be done, okay? Are you excited for that? Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, awesome. Here we go with the trimmers. We're gonna start by his ear and straight across. Come around the ear. Okay, come down. I like to round the neck area. Okay, put their head down. Good job, buddy, you know. Okay, again, round the side. Come up and around the ear. And straight across. You're doing so awesome, bud. Okay, then we can take this. Get it off. Okay, and then a little bit of the Flexi Hold Gel. What I like about this is it's not crunchy, but yet it will hold. And if you need to put your fingers through it later, it will, but yet it still has a hold. So I do like it. It's not extremely sticky, but it definitely has a hold. Okay, buddy, go ahead and look in the mirror for me, please. Oh, goodness, you looking good. Oh, you got it little itchy. Okay, look at RaDona, please. Oh, good job. You look so good. Okay, I'm gonna turn him around so you can see his awesome haircut. Thanks for being good, Walter. He was awesome. Thanks, you guys. I hope you enjoyed Walter's video. Appreciate it. And thanks again and have a good day. Can you tell him bye? See ya.